Hi, and welcome to my potential setups for next week in the Forex market. I will go through the pairs I have marked out and what I hope to trade from. We will start with CAD Yen. As you can see here, price is rejecting from this resistance area. So I hope to take a long trade in here somewhere in next week. As you see, price is in an uptrend. Be aware that this here is the strongest support down here, but maybe we can benefit from this after all. Let's go down to 1 hour, check. What I would like to see if the price do something like this. Come down, take these lows here, make a very good rejection from this area, and then up, start to make a pullback, retest, and then up. Then that, yeah, you have up here, very good here, have a good support area. Sorry, resistance area up here. So somewhere in here, I would like to long. What is important is to get a good pullback, retest, good reaction. So let's go down to 15 minutes. As you see, price is looking a bit like it wants to come down again. This here is a bit of a bearish scenario where prices had a good drop down and then make some kind of a bear flag-ish stuff. Down here, make some good rejections, up again and retest. And then the long could be either for around here with the stop loss below the lower area here that will eventually come, or and then target this here up here. Or you could also wait for it to break out of the channel here, and then again stop loss below the low around here, the market structure, if there's a range or something. So let's take the next pair, that is euro. I have 3 potential setups on euro. So let's see. Yes, here. I would love for the price to come down. Let's see, I have a very support area here from way back. Yeah, back to 22, more than 2 years ago. But the support area here. Let's go back to current time. So right now price is rejecting from this week here. I would love to see it come down, reject from here somewhere up, pull back, and then long here and up to these areas here, or maybe all the way up. See the 1 hour how it looks like here. Yeah, you see it is starting some bullish divergence. But again, let's get the price down here and see. And let's take euro yen. There are several euro pairs that are at the bottom, like near support. Yeah, same with this here is a strong support. On this scenario, I would, because of this, I think this support is very strong. And yen looks like on all pairs, like it's very close to some support. I want to go up. So here I would enter a bit faster. If the price comes down again here, I will probably long when it starts to touch the area, maybe the VWAP. So here I wouldn't wait so much for a break of structure that it comes out and pull back, maybe on the lower time frames, but not on 1 to 4 hour. So that would be more like something like this. Yeah, up and aim at these lows here. Sorry, these bottoms here. and that is probably a trade for later in the week. But that is what I look at euro yen. So let's take euro NZ. Yeah, here we are closer. See, prices already went down here and rejected, starting to go up. So now I want to see some pullback. See a good pullback. So we're down here, then back up. Then I want to take advantage of the reactions down here. Something like that. And all the way up in a rotation. Before I move on to the next pair, I want to explain a little bit about my strategy and how I trade. It's not rocket science. It's pretty simple. I use the obvious support here, the obvious resistance, and then I wait for the reaction, change the market structure, and if both react and change the market structure looks fine, I just enter the trade. I manage my risk. Um, and by doing that, then so far the probabilities has been in my favor, and it's going okay. And if you have any questions about my trading or your own trading, if you want help, then you can just ask. And if you like the content, then please like and subscribe. So on to the next pair I have prepared, GPAOD. Yeah, here we are close to first a larger resistance area here. Let's go to 4 hour. Larger resistance area where there might come a reaction. Again, if the reaction comes, I go to the lower time frames and see if I can get some bearish sentiment or some bearish confirmation. Let's go down to the 15 minutes. So price is making something look like a bull flag and will come up here and start to react. So how I would approach this, if I start to trade to short up here, that would be maybe 1-2 RNRs trade because I do expect the price to come higher up. But then we can still profit from the reactions on the way up. And up here would be where I would start to look for entering a longer short trade. Go to 1 hour at here. But let's see when the price comes up and how the reactions are. Next trade is GU. Yeah, this here. If this range, if it wants to break this channel here, I expect it to do a rotation at least to up here. But again, right now I don't want to long it. I will wait for it to come down and make a reaction down here again. Maybe it wants to go deeper, but time will tell, and we'll see about that. I'll keep you posted about what I do. In Yen. Oh yeah, this is a good one. As I mentioned earlier, many yen pairs looks to be at a very good support and ready to move higher. So you see here, first price rejected very well, and this smaller support down here is still in the larger support. So and now it's making a range here, broke off the range. So on Monday, I would like to see the price down and test this area again for for to see if there is a good reaction, a reason to long here. And as it is a yen pair, I would at least expect it to come. And I would aim for a higher target up here. Yeah, so if you can get on this lower time frames a very good entry here, that gives you a more profitable RNR and reward, and so you can take profit on the way up, but still end with a very good reward. Let's take the next as US yen. Yeah, this year is a bit different. I don't want to enter the trade yet. I wanted to come down here and test these areas here, the support area. It might not happen, but if it happens, I'll be ready for it. And the last pair is gold. Yeah, the same here with gold. Gold has gave a very good reaction on the support levels down here. So I'll be looking for it to come down and retest it and see the reaction and then enter long. What about Bitcoin? Let's take the 4 hour. Yeah, on Bitcoin, at least on the higher time frame, I'm not interested in trading it before it comes down here. If it comes down here, it's pretty bullish at the moment, so it could just continue up. So thanks you all for listening and watching, and I will see you next time I make a video about my setups.
Tell them how you're feeling,